Hey everybody, we're here in Orangeburg, South Carolina at Cracker Barrel. Great country kitchen cooking, great exceptional hospitality, and the overall store is just incredible. We're actually traveling from Miami. We stayed at a Cracker Barrel in West Palm, which is actually north of West Palm. That would be Stuart, Florida. Then up to Daytona Cracker Barrel. Then over to Jacksonville Cracker Barrel. Then Savannah. And now here. And we're heading up to the Smoky Mountains. But the hospitality at Cracker Barrel is just unbelievable. Love the cooking. Love the food. Love the little knick-knack store. And if you're ever at a Cracker Barrel store, don't forget to pick up your rocking chairs. Available at all of the stores. And a little quick welcome to Cracker Barrel as we enter. Give you a quick overall view. And what's nice about this, all the stores are basically the same. Christmas already at Cracker Barrel, and it looks like everything, including the ceilings, are for sale. So come join us. We're on our way to the Smoky Mountains up in Maryville, and we'll visit another 2 or 3 Cracker Barrels during this trip. So again, everybody, come join us. Go see a Cracker Barrel store. You'll love it. Great home cooking, great food. And from the land yacht, again, we're headed to Maryville, Harley-Davidson Smoky Mountain Rally. We got the Red Devil on the back. And with that little note, we're going to get on our merry little way. And just want to put a big thanks to the Cracker Barrel chain. They do a hell of a job. So people, go visit. It's wonderful.